We're from Mesa High, and this is Project Cleanup. Welcome to our team. As you can see to the left, that would be me, Leonardo, and I'm the lead communicator of the group, and I talk with our stakeholders. On to my right would be Gina and Francisco, and they are co-data collectors slash organizers, and they determine the number of trash bins in each area of the map. Lastly would be our lead data analyzer, Jacob, and he analyzes trash data and determines which bins are used the most.
We provide multiple solutions including better recycling bins and more efficient trash cans to help reduce trash around Mesa High School's campus and reduce the amount of general waste produced. We provide these services for the students, high school administration, as well as individuals visiting the campus. The school already has a system of trash and recycle bins, but they are not as efficient as they should be. The school will gain money if a better recycling program was implemented.
The problem is that too many kids at Mesa High do not dispose of their trash properly. This has been the norm for many kids. This is a map of zones around school where green represents less trash density and red represents more trash density, and everything else is in between. This is crucial for discovering our solution. For our solution, we would utilize a survey to determine if adding bins would be successful. Deborah Harrison, our field expert, informed us that adding more recycling bins would help us reduce the amount of trash in those map zones. With this in mind, we would place recycling bins in those locations. We would test trial these locations to gather useful data to prove the results of our survey. After a period of time, we would change these locations to gather more data. Using this data, we would analyze to see if our solution was effective. We could then work with the school for a more efficient recycling. The bins on the left are 42 gallons that would be placed in actively used areas, such as eating locations and the two main entrances to the academic building. It would collect the majority of the outside recycle. The small bin on the right is a green 14-quart recycling bin that would be placed in classrooms. They will collect the plastic generated in the academic buildings.
Our key stakeholders are the students at Mesa High. They would use the updated trash and recycle bins to reduce the amount of waste produced on campus. We will also be working with the maintenance staff to do the studies to show how much benefit the new bins have made on campus.
Our hope from the project will be to reduce the amount of trash on campus. With the new bins, our school will increase the recycled items and decrease the amount of contaminated recycled items.
We will be ordering 2 sets of 42-gallon recycling bins, one set green and the other blue. Our stakeholder required large containers to put in the more populated areas such as cafeteria and outdoor eating locations, which is why the price seems so large. We also are ordering 30 units of the 14-quart green recycling containers to put in classrooms to make it easier for students to properly recycle their waste.
Our stakeholders have acknowledged that throwing away trash and the lack of recycling is a challenge on campus. With our hard work and the efficient use of new recycling bins, we will make our school a cleaner learning environment. We can't wait to hear back from you.